Hey, I'm Art. I'm very excited this week. We have the electromagnetic spectrum, which I created. This is a more advanced level. It is multiplied from the past month with alternative spectrum, which is the color spectrum. But before we go into that, let me bust a move to get my energy flowing. Okay, now the energy is flowing, feeling good. Okay, now with electromagnetic spectrum, you would visualize the squiggly lines coming out of your hand. The closer the lines are, the more energy output. I have a little chart here. Let me get closer here. Okay, with radio waves, the frequency is at 300 gigahertz. A gigahertz wave frequency equals to 1,000 million hertz. So you go from 30 hertz to 300. We have radio, microwave, television, and then we have infrared. Infrared, which is at 700 nanometers. And then we have visible light, which we covered the last month, which we have orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. They range from 400 to 700 nanometers of the color spectrum. And then we have ultraviolet, which is 10 nanometers. I'm sorry, 400 nanometers. You can find that ultraviolet in the sun. And then we have next the X-rays and gamma rays. Gamma ray is the top of the list. They have the smallest wavelengths and the most energy of any wave in the electromagnetic spectrum. Gamma rays can be used to treat cancer. Also, you can work on 2 or more people at the same time because it has more energy. We have 1/1000th of a meter, 0.01 nanometers. Next week, I'm going to physically show how to do it. So stay tuned for next week, actually for the next 3 weeks, and I'll show you the whole complete system. Well, if you like this video, please share, subscribe, press the bell for weekly notifications, and thank you. See you next week.